What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Tattooed Angler, and I'm coming at you with another episode. This one, hopefully, is a banger. I'm gonna try my hardest to get a banger out of here. Reason being is because I caught my personal best at this water, and it was the length of a 6 pound bass, but had the girth of like an 8 pound bass. So I didn't have my scale on me. I just only had the length, and I called it at 7. It's only proper to do that since I didn't have my scale with me. But I have my scale with me today, and we're gonna see what we can get into. I caught it on a frog. There's a lot of, you'll see when I get out on the water, but there's a lot of vegetation. So you know them biggins are living up in that grass right now, especially in this hot summer heat. It ain't even supposed to be hot today though. It's supposed to be, the high is supposed to be like 80, which is like perfect. It feels amazing right now. But nonetheless, I got the yak with me. I'm gonna go ahead and load everything up, and then I will see you guys out on the water. Peace. Yeah, it's a it's a trek to get to this piece of water, but it is definitely worth it. As you can see, I'm out in the cut. It smells like butt out here. All right, so I decided to peg my worm down. Keep the weight at the bottom. Less grass too. Whoop. Got him. There we go, guys. Yeah, boy. That's a fish. A decent one too. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, is he still? He has to be still on there. Yeah, he's still on there. Uh-oh. I'm kind of stuck. Let him get his way out. Oh, yeah. This is a good one, guys. Come on. Oh yeah, he bit down on a horde. Come on. It's pulling me directly to him. Come on, you done? Oh, there he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. I think he's got me tied up. I think he's got me stuck. Yeah, he's definitely got me stuck. Like he dipped off in some stuff. Oh no. This guy's back in there. Screw it. Got him. There we go, guys. Ooh, he decent. What is it? Oh, it's a little bass. Little bass. Little guy. But a guy. Healthy little guy, too. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys. Well, we got the monkey off of our back. Nice little pretty guy. Let's go ahead and let him go. Bloop up. Little pale guy. He whittle. I don't know why it's so pale. Shouldn't be. Alright, there we go. Got him. Little guy. Oh, is that even recording? Oh yeah. Didn't even know I was recording, guys. Well, he's got like a 2 pounds mouth, but a 1 pound body. Let's let him go. All right. I didn't even know I was recording. I ain't even gonna lie. Got him. Oh, he came out of it. Come on. All right. He came out for it. I saw you do that, bud. I saw you do that, and you are too small for this worm. Little dink. Got him. There we go, guys. Oh, he decent too. Oh yeah, he good. I knew I felt something. Don't jump. Keep him down, keep him down. I'm standing up too. Oh yeah, he a good one. Yeah, I got a good hook set on this one. Oh yeah, he good. Uh-oh, he got me in the muck though. Oh yeah, he good. Oh yeah. Where you at? Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Now we're cooking with oil. Oh, 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 oh. Looks at my drag. Oh yeah, he's like 3. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see him. I'm gonna have to sit down. I'm gonna have to sit down and get him anyways. Oh yeah. And I felt that thump. Come on in, bud. Come on in. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, he's fighting. He's fighting. He mad. There we go. Better quality right there. I gotta get him around this stuff so I can get him. Ooh, come on. Come on, buckaroo. Oh yeah, he's like 3. Come on. Come on, get out of that stuff. Get out of that stuff. As I'm dragging him right back into it. Oh man, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, he's like 2.5. But we're getting somewhere now. If I can get this muck off my line, he can't even see. There he is. Oh yeah, guys. Come on. Oh. I don't want to let line out. Alright. Scoop him up. Come on, buckaroo. If I can get closer. I don't want to grab that line like that though. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about, guys. Shoo-wee. Now we're getting somewhere. Yeah. Healthy. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Got a couple little sores on them, but oh yeah. Oh, this is where we're starting off. Let's let this one go. Probably tired. Go on. There you go. Yeah, boy. Uh. Shaking my boobies for you guys. Well, guys, I mean, we got into some fish. Got into, what, like 5 or 6. That last one was the best one I've seen out of here in a while. Oh, sorry, I'm out of breath. I just had to kayak all the way here and then pull my kayak up here. But nonetheless, we're going to come back to this spot because I know that there's 7s and 8s and 9s in here. It just wasn't my day. I mean, winds were all weird, you know, coming out of different directions every 2 hours, you know, and I mean, we still got it done. We still caught fish, and it was still a good day out on the water. But if you like what you see, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. And for all you new subscribers, thank you for joining the channel. This is Tattooed Angler. This is what I do. I hunt everything. Well, I seek anything with fins. But nonetheless, I'm gonna haul this kayak up onto my car, and then I got like another 40-minute drive home. So I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.